Tara, overnight tayo with the BFFs at Prisma Residences located at Alegria Garden near Barangay Pineda, Pasig City. Patagal na namin ito plinano kaya excited kami na totohanin na itong overnight namin.
Hi guys!
Short form.
Short form, tara. Let's go.
Pagpasok naman sa elevator, muntik na kami matrap kasi hindi namin alam kung paano gamitin ito.
Pag-room na tayo sa labas.
Yeah, natrap tayo dito. Guys, na-backrooms na tayo dito.
Pagbalik, andito pa rin.
Tara na. Guys, nasa backrooms na po tayo. Yeah! Oh my God! Nasa backrooms na tayo.
So paglabas ng elevator, ang room number namin ay 611 with digital lock na. So ito ang view sa loob, may kitchen and utensils na and very accommodating naman ng aming host. Pang 5 stars ba ang room na to? Ito ang itsura ng aming living room, complete with couch and TV na may Netflix and chill. Gusto ito for 4 people, may dining area din with a spacious bathroom na may high-tech toilet, large shower and blow dryer. Meron ding storage compartment with washing machine. Sa tabi naman nito ay yung main bedroom with TV and terrace at meron ding guest room with double deck and aircon. Buti na lang may extra mattress kasi ano kami. So tara, punta muna tayo sa birthday ng kapatid ni B, si Ashley, sa kanyang debut. Now it's time to celebrate Ashley's debut kasamang family ni B. Parang fairy tale dream come true kanyang birthday para kasi siyang Disney princess with her beautiful gown and loving family. Sobrang saya ng celebration but it's time to go back sa ating room.
Hi guys!
Nice out after a party.
Baka kami kina Jen, actually.
Actually, truly.
Paano BF?
Nothing to be proud of. Di ba totoo? Ganito yung early mayor flash.
Hindi naman na tayo high school para mag-ganyan. So after eating dinner and setting up, it's game and bonding time with the BFFs. First time tumikim ni Kate ng iced tea at naglaro kami ng card games like Uno. Sobrang saya kasi nagsa-sound trip kami kay Siri at syempre di mawawala ang truth or dare. Sa sobrang kulit ni Kate, nag-backfire ang kanyang dare kay Jess na call her ex. Ang ending, tinawagan niya pa tapos birthday pa ng ex niya. Grabe ang lord naman ni Kate. Tawanan kami malala until naubos ang aming drinks and we were so tipsy with laughing and bonding with each other.
Sabi ng shut
Series, stop. Pause mo na, pause mo na.
Happy 18th birthday, Ashley!
Tara na, let's go na, TikTok na. Ang ending ito, lakda na kami ni Kate sa sobrang pagod and she's just a girl. Pero syempre bilang good friend, naglatab kami ng matigas na mattress and it's time to sleep na. Pagod at lasing na kasi kami eh, pwede nga. The next day, sobrang lakas ng ulan kaya kumain na lang kami ng breakfast at hinati ang malaking cake na gawa ng family ni B. Para kasi Taylor na pag-chop-chop ng cake ala blank space. After nun ay nag-pack up na kami at umuwi na kahit umuulan. Ayun lang ang aming Prisma Residence overnight experience with the BFFs until our next Airbnb vlog!